Welcome to back my channel. Quick cuts of the GR Corolla driving on a winding road, drifting, and accelerating. Voiceover, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the world of performance hatchbacks with the all-new Toyota GR Corolla. This car is a direct descendant of the legendary Toyota Celica GT4, and it's packed with features that make it a serious contender in the hot hatch segment. Close-ups of the car's exterior, interior, and engine bay. Let's start with the exterior. The GR Corolla boasts aggressive styling with flared fenders, a large rear wing, and a front splitter. Inside, you'll find a sporty and functional cabin with supportive seats and a driver-focused layout. Under the hood, we have a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that produces power and torque. It's paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, which is a must-have for driving enthusiasts. Footage of the car accelerating, cornering, and braking on a track. The GR Corolla is a blast to drive. The engine delivers a linear power delivery with a satisfying turbocharger spool-up. The manual transmission is precise and engaging, allowing for full control over the car's power. The suspension is tuned for maximum performance, providing excellent grip and stability. It's a car that rewards skilled drivers, but it's also accessible enough for everyday commuting. Panning shots of the car's exterior and interior. Beyond its performance capabilities, the GR Corolla is a visually striking car. The design is a perfect blend of aggression and elegance. The LED headlights and tail lights give it a modern and sporty look. The interior is simple yet functional, with high-quality materials and a driver-focused layout. Shots of the car's all-wheel drive system and limited slip differential. One of the GR Corolla's unique selling points is its all-wheel drive system. This ensures that power is delivered to the wheels that need it most, providing excellent traction in all conditions. Additionally, the car features a limited slip differential, which helps to improve cornering performance and reduce understeer. A final shot of the GR Corolla driving on a scenic road. The Toyota GR Corolla is a true performance hatchback that delivers on its promise. With its powerful engine, engaging manual transmission, and exceptional handling, it's a car that will appeal to driving enthusiasts of all levels. If you're looking for a fun and exciting car that can do it all, the GR Corolla is definitely worth considering. For more information on the Toyota GR Corolla, be sure to visit your local dealership or check out our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews and content.